Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's generating quite a buzz in the cleaning world, the Cordless Portable Washer, a handy tool designed to tackle everything from light rinses to stubborn grime. We've found this product online, and you can find the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this Cordless Portable Washer? This innovative handheld washer boasts an impressive 1,100 PSI, making it a robust option for various cleaning tasks around your home and garden. It's battery operated, which means you won't be tethered to a power outlet while you clean. This washer is equipped with an all-copper motor, ensuring durability and longevity, so you can rely on it for consistent performance. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this washer a must-have. First off, this washer offers long-lasting performance, providing up to 40 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. That's more than enough time to tackle your car, patio, or driveway without interruption. The quick charging feature also means you won't be left waiting around for long. Another highlight is its versatility in water sourcing. Whether you have access to a faucet, a bucket, a pool, or even a garden hose, this washer has the right connectors for you. The weighted filter head ensures smooth water intake, which is a significant advantage when using open sources. Plus, it comes with multiple adapters that fit standard water taps and hoses, making setup a breeze. Weighing in at just 3.2 pounds, this washer is incredibly lightweight and portable. It's designed for easy assembly, with clear instructions and quick connect fittings that let you start cleaning in minutes. This makes it an ideal option for anyone who may not have the time or tools to set up a traditional pressure washer. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who regularly cleans your car, garden, or patio, you'll find this cordless portable washer to be a practical addition to your cleaning arsenal. It's perfect for everyday cleaning tasks, seamlessly fitting into your routine. Whether you're a busy parent, a pet owner dealing with muddy paw prints, or just someone who enjoys keeping their outdoor spaces tidy, this washer can help make those tasks more manageable. Now, let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine it's a sunny Saturday, and you want to clean your car after a week of errands. With this washer, you can easily rinse off dirt and grime, getting into those hard-to-reach areas with ease. Or perhaps you've got a patio that's covered in leaves and dust after a long winter. This cordless washer can help you spruce it up quickly. You could also use it in your garden to wash down tools or even give your outdoor furniture a quick refresh. The complete cleaning tools kit that comes with this washer is another fantastic feature. Included with your purchase are the washer itself, a battery, a rapid charger, a 23-foot elastic hose, a stop valve, a weighted filter, a foam pot for soap, a storage bag, and multiple connectors for garden hoses and faucets. This comprehensive kit ensures you have everything you need to get started right away. In conclusion, the cordless portable washer is an excellent solution for anyone in need of a versatile and efficient cleaning tool. Its lightweight design, long battery life, and diverse water source options make it suitable for a wide array of cleaning tasks. Whether you're maintaining your vehicle, sprucing up your outdoor spaces, or simply keeping your home clean, this washer will fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.